Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Virtual Madrasa. Today is our third lesson of the Muqattaat letters. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now, there are three letters joined together. The first letter is Alif in the middle. Second letter name is Lam. And the third one is Mim. This is Alif and then Lam. We stretch Lam for 5 seconds because of this mud sign on top. When come this sign, we stretch the letter for 5 seconds. So we stretch this letter for 5 seconds, and after Lam there is Mim and also this sign on top. So we stretch this Mim for 5 seconds, and it's a W sign, the Shteet sign on Mim. It's mean we connect this Mim for the previous one. Like we read Lam with Mim for 5 seconds. So we start from here. Alif Lam Mim. So this is Alif Lam Mim. In second box, there are 4 letters joined together. First letter is Alif, second is Lam, Mim, and then Sod. And also we stretch these 3 letters for 5 seconds because of this mud sign on top, and also this tashdid sign on Mim. Then we connect this Mim for the previous letter, and also do gunna for here for 2 seconds. So this is Alif Lam Mim Sod. Yes, this is Alif Lam Mim Sod. And in next box, there are 3 letters joined together. First letter is Alif, then Lam, and then this is Ra. This Ra has this standing Fatha sign on top. When come this sign, we stretch it for 2 seconds. We stretch this Ra for 2 seconds, and also we read this Ra with bold tone because of its green letter. Now, so previous letter has mud on top, so we stretch it for 5 seconds. It's Alif Lam Ra. We stretch this Ra for 2 seconds. Alif Lam Ra. And next box, there are also 4 letters joined together. First letter name is Alif, then Lam, Mim, and Ra. We read this Lam and Mim for 5 seconds, and Ra for 2 seconds, and also do gunna here for 2 seconds. So Alif Lam Mim Ra. Alif Lam Mim Ra. Now, second line, there are 5 letters joined together. First letter name is Kaf. This is Ha, then Ya, Ain, and Sod. We stretch Ha and Ya for 2 seconds because of this standing Fatha sign on top, and Kaf, Ain, and Sod for 5 seconds because of its mud. There is mud sign on top. Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ain, Sod. Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ain, Sod. In next box, there are 2 letters. First letter name is Twa and then Ha. Twa and Ha. We stretch these 2 letters for 2 seconds because of its standing Fatha sign on top. Twa, Ha. Twa, Ha. And in next box, there are 3 letters. First letter is Twa, then Sin, and then Mim. We stretch Sin and Mim for 5 seconds, and Mim for 2. There is the Shteet sign on Mim. Then it's mean we connect with the previous one, and also do gunna here for 2 seconds. Same. ta, sin, mim, ta, sin, mim. And in third line, there are also two letters. The first letter is ta and then sin. We said ta for 2 seconds and sin for 5 seconds because of these two signs on top. Ta, sin, ta, sin. This is ya, sin, ya, sin. Next letter is sad, sad. Now there are two letters. First letter is ha and then mim. We say ha for 2 seconds and mim for 5 seconds. Ha, mim, ha, mim. There is first letter name is ha and then mim. We say mim for 5 seconds. Then next one, ain, sin, and qaf. We said these all 4 letters for 5 seconds and a ha for 2 seconds. Ha, mim, ain, sin, qaf. Now start again. Ha, mim.